What's up everyone, Erik here from HardwareForGamers. Back in October of 2019, I did a setup guide / review of ShoppingAll's SAGM124D, a dual monitor mount. A few months after I put that video out, ShoppingAll contacted me and asked me if I would like to take a look at their new monitor mount, the SAGA24. I said sure. So a day or two later, I received a package from Amazon. So I'd like to thank ShoppingAll for sending this unit over so that I could take a look at it and give you guys my thoughts. I wanted to start with a quick unboxing and then take you guys along for the setup and then finally give you my thoughts on the monitor mount. So here's the box that the SAGA24 comes in. So let's open her up. This monitor mount supports up to a 32-inch monitor with a max weight of 8 kilos, or that would be 17.6 pounds. And see what's inside. So we got a user manual for a gas spring monitor desk mount. Okay, so let's take these out. Here's the arm. So this is, it's a quick release. So that actually is quite interesting. So I guess there's plates that you can then attach to the monitor, and then you pick up the whole monitor and then slide it in, which is actually a pretty nice way of doing it. Here's the extension arm. Okay, that's actually kind of nice. So the extension arm, that was one of the main issues that I had with the older model, is that you were screwing into plastic. Here you're actually screwing into the arm. So that should actually make everything a lot stronger. Okay, so then the actual... Yeah, this looks longer. So this is the older one, and this is the newer one, so it's actually substantially taller. So that should give you some more adjustment on how you can actually fasten things and where you can and how you can. And then here's obviously the second one. Again, same idea. Okay, so there is an actual upside. So you actually have a stop so that it won't. Second extension arm. And we got a box here of all the other smaller stuff. So HDMI cable. And then your fastening screws with spacers. Allen keys again, and then this looks like it's, I guess, the extension arm fittings to screw them in. And then we got cable guides and a second stopper. Okay, clean this stuff up here. Okay, so let's set this guy up. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is to switch the clamp into the grommet. So to do that, I need to detach the base of the clamp and put it to the base itself. The VESA plate supports both 75 by 75 and 100 by 100 spacing. Setup was going smoothly until I tried attaching the monitor to the arm mounts. Aligning the VESA plate that's on the monitor to the head slot, yes, that's what they call it in the user manual, is a challenge with only 2 hands. You need to hold the head slot with one hand and your monitor with the other hand, and then try to align them and snap them together. Now, if you have a larger monitor, asking somebody for help would probably be in your best interest. Now, I did find that the screw for the monitor's tilt really needed to be tightened for the monitor not just to tilt all on its own. So as you can see, the results are quite nice. The cable runs can actually hold 4 or 5 cables, so keeping everything clean looking is really easy. And at the time of filming, the GA24 is $70 on Amazon.com, which at that price, this is a great monitor mount. Well, that's all I got for this one, all the normal stuff. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And as always, thanks for watching, and see you next time.